Okay guys, so my grandpa in the back is trying to fix a lawnmower. Everything's going wrong. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, you hit the like button, and grandpa fixing lawnmower going wrong. I'm gonna stand right here. Just watch. See him? He's right there. Lawnmower's right there. Lawnmower already caught on fire once. So, fire department's right there. Lawnmower already caught on fire. Fire department's right here. Akron Police and Fire Department. Fire department's we have this brick. Nice brick. God. I'm going inside. So let's go in here because I don't know. Alright. Here we go. Look at this. Is it working? I might have to go get the fire extinguisher. Look at this. Look at all that smoke.